Hi, Mithul Banerjee here with the Cisco TAC AppDynamics team. In this video, I'll be showing you how to set up basic monitoring for your Node.js application using AppDynamics Agent. The project we are working with is a Hello World application built in Node.js. Now let's set up AppDynamics. In app.js, you'll see we require the AppDynamics agent at the very start of the application. This ensures the agent initializes before anything else in the app runs. The agent collects data on each request, giving you a detailed view of the app's performance. In the app.js file, you'll need to configure your AppDynamics controller related information. Make sure to keep these credentials secure. You also need to add AppDynamics in the package.json. We are currently using AppDynamics Node.js Agent version 24.9.0. We'll install the dependencies with a npm install. To start monitoring, run the app with node app.js. Now, whenever the application is in use, which can be done using a curl or accessing it via web browser, data is sent to your AppDynamics controller dashboard, where you can see metrics like response time, error rates, and others. It will take few minutes before the data shows up on controller. In the AppDynamics dashboard, you can monitor your Node.js application health. You will get insight into business transaction, memory usage, and even code level visibility if you need to dive deeper. And that's it. You have set up your basic monitoring for a Node.js app using AppDynamics in under 2 minutes. Give it a try. In case of any issues, please open a tax support case for further assistance. Thank you for watching.